watching the News Hour at 10.
Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour at 10 and I'm Swati Joshi. Imran Kartarpur Googly. That's the hashtag of our big story. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has been preaching peace to India on the pretext of Kartarpur corridor. And while Congress Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu lavished praises on Pakistan's new Prime Minister by even calling him an angel, here's Pakistan's true face, exposed by their own minister. Pak Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has admitted that Kartarpur outreach was a trap. He even went on to mocking Indian netas Harsimrat Kaur and Hardeep Puri, saying, "World saw Imran Khan bowl a googly." As if that wasn't enough to expose Pakistan's duplicity, while addressing media today, Imran Khan once again insisted on India holding bilateral talks to begin peace process and saying that Pakistan's mindset had completely changed while India hasn't.
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
क्या हमारा 2 यूनियन मिनिस्टर्स को वहां भेजना बैकफायर कर गया है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान को मौका मिल गया है ये दिखाने के लिए कि पाकिस्तान ने हमें एंगेज किया. वी वर हेजिटेटिंग एंड देन वी वर फोर्स्ड टू एंगेज. Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Tuin Sinha, leader of the BJP. We also have Sukhman Singh Ahluwalia, spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal, along with Ashutosh Mishra, a senior journalist, and Colonel Shailendra Singh, defense expert. Let me begin by asking a question to Colonel Shailendra Singh. Colonel Singh, अमन का पैगाम देने वाले और सूफीज़म की देश को बिलोंग करने वाले जो सूफियों का देश है, वो गुगली की बात क्यों कर रहा है? Why are they now mocking India and why are they now saying कि ऐसी गुगली फेंकी इमरान खान ने कि इंडिया को मजबूर होना पड़ा, that they forced us to engage when in the first place this was no bilateral dialogue which was taking place?
I don't find this very surprising, because historically, if we can see, we will always find that Pakistan has always, every time, maintained double standards. The height of double standards was when Bajpayee ji was taking the bus yatra to Pakistan. They were already hatching the conspiracy of Kargil. It has been proved by their own people. Coming to the present situation, let me tell you one thing, we need not worry about our steps. We can again claim, and we should rather exploit this situation by telling the world that we reacted positively. Now here is the double standard of Pakistan, which is again bringing out a googly, thereby demeaning their own steps. Actually problem ये है कि पाकिस्तान इतना ज़्यादा बुद्धि भ्रष्ट हो चुका है कि उनको खुद ही नहीं पता वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. अगर वो अमन की बात करना चाह रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, तो उसको उन्होंने गुगली के साथ लगाकर पूरा न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया. शेमफुल.
क्या उन्होंने न्यूट्रलाइज कर लिया इसको, या उन्होंने इसको अपने बेनिफिट में यूटिलाइज कर लिया है? लेट मी आल्सो ब्रिंग इन आशुतोष मिश्रा. आशुतोष मिश्रा, हैव वी लॉस्ट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी? बिकॉज नाउ लुक एट व्हाट पाकिस्तान इज डूइंग, टेलिंग द एंटायर वर्ल्ड दैट वी हैव फोर्स्ड इंडिया to engage because they were forced to send their union ministers to this side of the border, to our country, to Pakistan. He also addressed some Indian journalists and he said, look, our mindset has changed, but India's mindset has not changed. India should now hold a dialogue.
Swati, what has happened is that the loose delivery bowled by the Modi government has been hit for a sixer by the Pakistani foreign minister. Now, we have seen over the period of last few years that India's foreign policy has been very flip-flop when it comes to Pakistan. We had seen this earlier also, that Sushma Swaraj wanted to meet the Pakistanis on the sideline of Unga, but then withdrew at the last moment. In this case of Kartarpur corridor also, what has happened is that she allowed Punjab politics to be played in Pakistan. So just because Sidhu was there, Harsimrat Badal also had to be there, and that is where we came out as the
so you're saying
people
Sidhu
who are
going there
ready
was okay,
to
sir, because I see a lot of flip-flop.
At the one hand say that we are ready.
No, the opposition has also gone through a lot of flip-flop reactions. So you're saying Sidhu going there and praising Imran Khan and calling him an angel is fine?
He said Farishta. Farishta in Hindi is any good doer. It's not angel. Anyone who does good is called Farishta in that sense. Number one. Number two, just taking this logic forward, because we have been seeing that for the last few days, we have been seeing that a certain Khalistani is being given free publicity across Indian media, and he's been turned into a household name. Why? Just because at that particular meeting, Sidhu was praised and there were no chants of Modi.
Because it was important to expose the double standards.
In our case, what is happening
is important
is
to
even
expose the double standards and duplicity of Pakistan.
Total Hindu majority country like Nepal has shifted to China's side. So it's the problem here is with our foreign policy and people who are trying to practice that.
Okay, let me take a reaction from Tuhin Sinha. Tuhin Sinha, has this step of sending 2 union ministers to Pakistan backfired upon us and given Pakistan an opportunity to show the world that look how Pakistan is taking initiatives to have peace with India, but India's mindset is not changing?
No, I would not say that. Swati, Pakistan is known for its sly character, for its slippery character, and Shah Mahmood Qureshi's statements only manifest that. I mean, I'm amazed at the language a foreign minister of a modern nation speaks. If this is the villainish joy, if this is the cheap thrill which he derives in saying that हमने तो उनको चकमा दे दिया, गुगली फेंक दी, that is not the language which a foreign minister speaks. Insofar as the ministers going there is concerned, I think both the ministers were fairly dignified. Now, you know, whether they should have on the Pakistan soil called their bluff and, you know, spoken the language which Amrinder Singh spoke, that is another question. But I think both the ministers were extremely dignified. If there was one person who was not dignified, it was this comedian Sidhu. And today Sidhu has confessed that he went on the instructions of Rahul Gandhi. So the one person who needs to really answer questions is the opposition leader who has made a mockery of the country today.
Was also praising Imran Khan. Till the other day, she was criticizing Sidhu, but as soon as she went to Pakistan, she started praising Imran.
Why are you calling a joker,
these BJP jokers forget
No,
that?
Look at the difference in the language between the two. She was being graceful. Look at the difference in the language. Sidhu was virtually begging for Pakistani citizenship. And Imran Khan said that
because everybody is having fun at our cost because of this.
Get this correct. Get this right. Sidhu's behavior was reflective of such low self-esteem.
Name calling, but yes, a question also needs to be asked to the Shiromani Akali Dal. And Mr. Ahluwalia is with us. Mr. Ahluwalia, shouldn't Harsimrat Badal now, Mr. Hardeep Puri also, I don't know whether Navjot Singh Sidhu will say it or not, but condemn this statement and also in a way realize कि क्या हुआ है?
You see, the policy of Pakistan is not a peace policy. Their policy is to create the disturbance, and everybody knows that. What the present government has done is a gift for the Indian citizens and to maintain their faith in Guru Nanak Sahib and enjoying his 550th celebrations by opening up Kartarpur corridor. Now, Pakistan is completely politicizing this issue, which is not required. It is a religious step. There is no question arising as far as India is concerned where we are connecting this part to politics. But this has started because Sidhu made a political statement there where he started praising Imran Khan, and Imran Khan topped him as a Prime Minister of 2019, and now Sidhu says, I went there on with the consent of Congress Party President Mr. Rahul Gandhi. So kindly see the nexus. What the nexus is?
But Mr. Ahluwalia, and this question goes out to everybody. Mr. Ahluwalia, if you're saying that this is not the first time Pakistan has done so, we know Pakistan has a history of doing such things, of betraying India and changing the narrative, then the question arises, sir, why did we fall into this trap?
No, see, we have not fallen in the trap. Government of India has opened up again. They have opened up considering the Sikh pilgrims in India who want to visit Kartarpur Sahib during this. They have already been asking government since after the partition. Try to understand few important points, I'll tell you. In 1952, Sardar Prakash Singh Badal, he raised this
Swati,
issue.
what happened here was that
in
Sidhu
2010,
came and said
Sardar
that the
Prakash Singh
Kartarpur
Badal
one
raised
by
this
one,
issue.
please. Let's
Now
go
today,
by
government of India
Pakistan.
looks
Mr.
for an
Shah, come to you,
opportunity to
Achha.
open up the
BJP
gates.
I'll come to you.
This
The
is
Modi
not falling
government
in
were
trap.
not allowed.
Rather, this is the Congress party which is making
Mr. Mishra, please.
a mimic out of it.
Mr. Mishra.
Sidhu has
Sir, I'll come
created
to
a
you.
drama of the entire scenario.
Swati, can I come in
Swati,
over
if
here?
I can, please come in.
Yes,
Swati,
all right. To Insana, please come.
जहाँ तक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का सवाल है, there is no confusion in our policy. For us, you know, the religious part of it and the political part of it are completely separate. हमने आज भी, अगर आपने देखा हो पिछले एक हफ्ते में जब से ये करतारपुर की बात हमने कही है, have we ever spoken of political engagement? Political engagement will not start till the time Pakistan reigns its terror elements, till the time Pakistan learns to behave. But the only person who has made a mockery of the entire exercise is Navjot Singh Sidhu. And today I want to raise a bigger question over here. Today there is a bigger question I want to raise over here. See, it is what is unfolding, what unfolded in Pakistan is a power play which is happening between Rahul Gandhi and Amrinder Singh.
Sir, 1 second, you cannot be interrupting everybody.
Give me 30.
Please, let Tuin Sinha finish. I'll come to you for a response.
देखिए, मैं एक बड़ा point. See, can I just complete?
Yes, please.
See, I want to make a bigger point over here. The embarrassment which India has experienced in Pakistan is the result of a very unfortunate power play which is happening between Captain Amrinder Singh and Rahul Gandhi. Captain Amrinder Singh has really called out Sidhu. Sidhu should not have gone. Today, Sidhu defiantly says, I took permission from Rahul Gandhi. So, we know that Amrinder Singh is probably the only nationalist CM that Congress has. Is Rahul Gandhi settling his cause?
They are talking about Harsimrat Badal and Hardeep Puri.
नहीं देखिए पाकिस्तान के एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर जो भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, you know, he is an embarrassment to Pakistan. Whether Pakistan realizes it or not, that is not the language which any foreign minister should be speaking.
Okay.
Would you agree with me on that or not?
Also,
is that the language a foreign minister speaks?
Ashutosh Mishra, the external affairs minister, made it very, very clear that you have to look at this only in isolation. This does not mean that the bilateral dialogue between both the countries is going to begin, because talks cannot take place with terror. The minister made it very, very clear.
So, why did she have to send Harsimrat Badal and Hardeep Puri there?
Because
if we can
it was about the Kartarpur
why
corridor.
Can't we boycott their ceremony?
Because it was about the Kartarpur corridor.
Because I mean, your representative there, the High Commissioner, could have represented you. Why did Harsimrat Badal have to go there? Because they were taking the Punjab politics to Kartarpur, where credit should not go to Sidhu, because Sidhu was the first one who said that this is going to happen. Now they had to show that no, the Badals are also involved. So we will have Badal's name on the foundation stone also. They are not in the government anywhere. This is plain and simple Punjab politics being played in Kartarpur.
Right. So you are saying the political, okay, so you are saying the political infighting, the political okay, 1 second. So you are saying politics is responsible for this, जो infighting चल रही है, इसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान को ये मौका मिला. Let me go across to Colonel Singh also. He also wants to come in and make a point. Mr. Mishra, please hold on that thought. Let Colonel Singh come in. Colonel Singh, please.
Allow me to.
Yes.
I just want to say one thing. It is that we are doing a self-damage if we will keep politicizing this issue. We need a very specific step taken by the External Affairs Ministry to bring out, and the government can come out with their own stand as to in what good faith these two gentlemen were sent there. Now coming to the political part, if our own people will keep fighting like this, you are giving more material to the Pakistan to exploit that. It's a very simple case. It has gone wrong. Now it requires strategic steps to correct it. Bring it out. As a government will, I'm very sure that diplomatically there will be a strategy to overcome this. It is in fact how we encash it to bring it out to the world, that here is Pakistan's double standards. That on one side they call it a googly, and second side they talk of aman and chain. Where is that possible? They are doing a self-damage. India has done a damage, that's a separate part. That is our internal matter.
Okay. India has also, but you're saying India has also damaged.
After
India has
all,
also
one has
damaged
to go
its
by
image to an
Yeah.
extent because of the political bickering.
Yes, why not?
The political bickering that we are witnessing, Mr. Ahluwalia.
Yes, unless you will come out,
Okay.
unless
Yes.
you will come out with
Swati,
corrective
I
steps
want to
now,
make one thing
you are
very
going
clear
to do otherwise
here.
more damage.
Okay. Mr. Ahluwalia, go
This
ahead.
is not a cricket match when you say we have played googly to India. This is absolutely incorrect statement by Pakistani minister. One thing we should understand, that every country have their own way to deal with the foreign policies. Now what Government of India has done, they have simply created a platform for the pilgrims to attend, to make this, to enjoy the celebrations of Guru Nanak Sahib birthday. Whereas the Congress leader, they have started politicizing the issue by saying that we were the one who started it, that too Mr. Sidhu specially. Now this is how the Pakistan is trying to take the advantage when Indian Congress leader, he goes there, shake hands with Hizbul leader, he meets Gopal Chawla, the Khalistani leader in Pakistan, and that is what is going to happen.
Okay, now Mr. Mishra, I know you want to
this
come
will
and counter
ultimately
that
result
and
into
say
this
good
only.
point.
Let's
But
We
but
should
the larger
understand
issue
why
is, Mr.
why
Mishra,
Congress party is
Okay.
bringing
now I
ISI,
want to draw
why
your
they
attention,
are
Mr. Mishra.
instead
Mr.
of taking
Mishra, I
our
want
own
to
prime
draw your attention
minister,
to what
why
you have been
Congress
saying
is
till now in
taking the
debate.
prime
As
minister
far
of
as Sidhu is
Pakistan?
concerned.
First they should
I have a
answer this
specific question,
question.
please let me
Why
come in.
do they
Which
feel
always
ashamed of
veto.
taking
Okay, let
their
me
own
come in,
prime
Mr.
minister?
Mishra.
That Mr. Modi has done a wonderful
Okay,
job.
Okay, Ashutosh
Designated
Mishra, I have a very
Please
specific
silence
question
saying
for you.
so.
Please let me come in. Now, till this point, till this development of Shah Mahmood Qureshi saying it was a googly and Imran Khan saying that India should now start dialogue and India ka mindset nahi badla hai. Sir, you said give peace a chance and you said the Pakistani Prime Minister is only talking about peace with India, wants to have a dialogue. Can we really now trust the intentions? छोड़िए पास्ट में जो हुआ उसको तो छोड़ दीजिए, ये जो नया कमेंट आया है इसके बेसिस पर आपको लगता है आगे बढ़ पाएंगे हम इतनी आसानी से?
तो स्वाति अगर आप उसके बाद इमरान खान ने क्या कहा उसको सुने तो और अच्छा होगा. इमरान खान ने कहा we know that we cannot export terrorism, we are against terrorism and if we want to make peace with our neighbors.
बिल्कुल, और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि दोनों देश जो हैं वो न्यूक्लियर स्टेट्स हैं और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि लीडरशिप चेंज होनी चाहिए, लीडरशिप के पास ताकत होनी चाहिए और इरादा होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आप सिलेक्टिवली एक स्टेटमेंट हाईलाइट करके दूसरा भूल नहीं सकते आशुतोष मिश्रा.
The problem here is that everybody here is more interested in running down Sidhu than appreciating what Prime Minister Modi has done. He had the guts.
No, you are interested in running down your own country.
And it has happened. It has happened.
Prime
Minister Modi
ये जो इंडिया में जो फैंस बैठे हैं इमरान खान के, स्वाति the Indian fans of Pakistan Prime Minister.
Gentlemen, I cannot give you more time. Unfortunately, that's all the time I have for the debate. लेकिन clearly ये पाकिस्तान ने मौका गवा दिया है. कुछ लोग कहेंगे सेल्फ डैमेज किया है, कुछ ये भी कहेंगे कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमने खोई है और पाकिस्तान को ये मौका दिया है कहने का कि उन्होंने गुगली फेंकी और इंडिया को मजबूर होना पड़ा. ऑन दैट नोट, रैपिंग अप द डिबेट एंड थैंकिंग ऑल द गेस्ट्स. थैंक यू फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द डिबेट. गुड नाइट.